guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and it is freezing in Ohio and I'm wearing my Buck Cancer shirt. Get it? Buck Cancer. I told you I love a pun. Sarah got me this for Christmas. My niece, Sarah. Am I blurry or is it my eyes? I don't know, but we'll see. All right, I have a quick Dollar Tree haul for you and it's a lot of DIY stuff. So let's get into it. It's not all DIY, but there's a lot. Because I got some cat nail trimmers to try. I usually just use nail clippers, but I don't know. I guess I should try using actual cat clippers. So I grabbed a set of those. I got this Spascriptions silicone face mask applicator. And it's like a silicone beauty blender on a stick. Oh, neat. And then you can use it to like put your mask on or lotion or whatever. I don't know why I need this, but it was $1, so I bought it to try. I'll let you know how I like it. But it says it is an applicator for face masks. I think those like black ones. Charcoal, I think they're called. I got some socks. Oh, there's a little pull in those. For St. Patty's Day, just because I like the rainbow. I'm not a huge St. Patty's Day person, but I thought these were cute. There we go. Alrighty. I got a wooden bookmark and it says plant kindness, grow love. And it's real wood and it's a bookmark. I'm always reading and so I'm always looking for bookmarks. So I grabbed that for me. That's actually gonna stay down here. Oh, and the coffee today is regular coffee, but I frothed the cream and threw some cinnamon in it. So good. Now, I'm getting ready to redo my downstairs bathroom and I'm going to bring you along on the journey. I'm going to paint the walls, I'm painting the cabinet, I'm framing in the mirror, and I'm going to hang a shelf. And so I need some decor. I got this, which I think is a Christmas scent. I don't care. It's winter flannel is what it's called. But I like the marble, the black, because I'm going to do my bathroom black, white, and gray. And I like the marbling. So I thought that would match perfect. So I got that. I picked up 3 of these love signs because I'm going to glue them together and create a sign. Hang on 1 second for me. I'm back. The cat wants out, the cat wants in, and it's too cold to leave him out. Anyway, so I got 3 of these signs. I'm going to take the metal heart off. I'm actually going to use it. I'm going to adhere them together and use some craft sticks and make a wooden sign out of them for decor in my bathroom. So I got 3 of those. I purchased for another DIY that I got from Auntie Cuckoo. She made a topiary, one of these tins, which these are super cheap this year. So I grabbed 1 bucket. I grabbed some floral foam to go in the bucket. Some nunchucks for the stem of the topiary. 5 bags of these. They are called faux moss stones, and they're in with the fairy garden stuff. I grabbed 5 of them. She said you can cut them in half this way. But we'll see. Because I bought a ball, but it's not here, so I have to find that ball or go get another one. So I got 5 bags of these. And what I don't use for this, I can put into my little fairy garden that I'm making for my dining room table this spring. I picked up, also for my bathroom, an 11 by 14 frame. And only one of my Dollar Tree carries this size. This is going to be a leaning sign. I'm going to put it on the shelf and it's going to lean. So this one, I just like the black, and it was $1. So that'll make good bathroom decor. I picked up, my foot. let me get into this bag. I got some mixed up foods and stuff, but I grabbed a couple bags of this table scatter. I saw on somebody's channel they filled one of the little plastic mason jars and tied a ribbon, and I thought that was sweet for Valentine's Day. So I did that. I got 2 of those. I grabbed some Goof Off. And this is good. This one, they had all different ones, but this is for tape and sticker removal on like glass products for crafting. I like this stuff. And it was $1. For Sarah, I picked up the udon noodles. I think she'll like these. She can make herself some vegetarian pho. So I grabbed those for her. For me, I got some sugar-free Kool-Aid mix-ins and some Country Time lemonade or Country Time peach iced tea mix-ins. So I grabbed 2. Actually, I have 2 of each, but I took 1 to work and 1 I've already started drinking. But I picked these up when I'm in there. Oh, more crafty stuff. I got some more nautical rope. I have nothing in plan for it other than I just like to keep some supply on hand. So I grabbed 2 more because I have been using it a lot. So I grabbed 2 of those. Food-wise, I grabbed a jar of these pickles. I really like them. I like this brand. This is the Breckenridge brand. The mini koshers are pretty spicy, and I like that. They've got a bite to them. These are the hamburger dills. I like those. And then I just grabbed some parsley flakes because I needed that. What's falling behind? My fire is falling behind me. And then the last thing I got was a little Valentine for my co-workers, 2 grandkids. Brayden and Connor, they're 5 and 3. And I thought, ugh, I'm losing things here. I thought I would pick up a couple little dealies for them, just something small, because they're cute and I like them. So I grabbed, first off, a 3-pack of these little bags. I just thought they were, I'm not going to do the Happy Valentine's Day for them. I'm going to give one of them the heart bag and one with just the red and white hearts. But I like the craft paper, and for 3 for $1, that's a good gift, and this a good, you know, price, and this is a good size for just a little treat for the little guys. So I got them I got these to package. And then I found these Firefly toothbrushes and toothpaste sets, and they spend the night at Grandma's house, so I thought she could keep these at her house. But one of them is blue, Captain America, and I guess the other one is Thor, if I had to guess. Yeah, I don't know. Somebody will know who has children, but so I grabbed them each a toothbrush, and it comes with toothpaste and a little toothbrush cover, and they can leave this at Grandma's house. And they can determine who wants what color. And then I picked up some M&M minis for them from the Dollar Tree. I thought that was a good deal, and they're cute, and they're little guys, so this will be good. They don't have to eat them all at one time, and they're just little mini M&Ms. So I got them those. And then if you saw my Aldi haul, I got these at Aldi. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I think this is like a little sloth, maybe? I don't know what this is supposed to be. It doesn't say. It just says mini plush on it, and then the little elephant. So I got them each a little stuffy just to have because they're cute. And I may pick up a couple more things along the way, but right now each little Valentine is a toothbrush, a little stuffy, and a little bit of candy. I have this cat sitting behind me that is literally pushing me so he can get to the fireplace. All right, that is everything that I have purchased at the Dollar Tree. I'm really focusing this year on, it's either for a project, you know, DIY, something I can use, or maybe like, you know, little gifty things, but I'm just trying not to buy just to buy, if that makes sense. Because I think it does. All right, everybody, that is all, and I will talk to you later. Bye, have a great one, and stay warm. It's cold. Brr.